alarm went off 5 o'clock on 11th of June, and a small fire at the time. We tried fighting it, but it's got hold very quick. Fire engine was on the way, but even by the time they came, it had very much got hold of the building, and really burnt for about 7 hours before it was under control. And but by then, about half of the building was totally lost.
We're not owned by a big business. We're owned by a family who have built this place up for 45 years from scratch on their own. We're all here together, and we all watched the place burn together. It was quite gutting.
That was tough to come to terms with, but in reality that we had to just get involved and build a plan for the recovery.
I went online. I'd heard of PKL before. I saw their website, got in touch with a lady called Andrea, and yeah, within 48 hours we had a quote on our desk ready to go. And again, I think the next day she was here with a guy from the technical department, kind of measuring up, having a look at things. The response from you guys was awesome.
That's impressive. From point of order, I think we had a kitchen within 2 to 3 days, and the 16 units that formed the clubhouse and changing facilities were 4 weeks after that.
The members, the first day the members used the stage was actually their club championship day, which was really important for us to get there for them, and they were just beside themselves of excitement. They were just really shocked and couldn't believe we were actually here. We all stayed here till 7, 8, 9 o'clock on Friday evening, making sure everything was in place, and yeah, they were chuffed to bits when they came on Saturday morning.
It's brilliant. I think it's fair to say we've exceeded everyone's expectations. The members are very happy in here. We've put a roof over their heads, great selection of beers, the bar offering is as it was before, and so is the kitchen and catering offering. So, you know, we feel we've got a realistic means of getting through this 18-month period of downtime from our usual facilities, and we're very much fit for purpose with the facility PKL have provided.